Welcome, in front of me is a LENOVO Tab P11 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started you'll need to open up your settings application. I have one right over here, but you can obviously also swipe up and find it in here. Now from the settings you're going to scroll all the way down to System and scroll down again, select Reset Options, erase all data factory reset, erase all data. Now I will warn you, you need to have at least 30% of your battery to do this. As you can see I have just a little over 30. If you have 30 or below, it will tell you that you have a not substantial amount of battery and you won't be able to progress. So just plug it in for charging, and then once it goes above 30 you can progress further. Now because I can, I'm just going to select right here, erase all data now, and this will begin factory resetting the device. And this process will take about a minute to maybe like 3 minutes tops to finish up, so I'm just going to let it run and come back once it's finished. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.